Folks, here we have another Jensen 60EL for electric. This has been electrified. It's got a cartridge heater in it, just like this. And this one can push close to 400 watts. I got it listed at 300, but it's a little bit better than that. I call this a dual fuel because this is a brand new tray. You can run Esbit tablets in there as well. There is an immersion rod heater right in the lower part of the boiler. And we have a 18-3 grounded cord on the back of it. The base is, it's all been taken apart and cleaned, and the base has been bead blasted and repainted a light blue hammertone paint. That's just one of my favorites. The firebox and chimney stand have all been repainted. VHT, very high temperature, burnt copper, orange paint. And this one has a larger 7-tiered aluminum pulley with a included drive band built in there. And it's got rollerball bearings on the stanchion. This will power a 15 generator. And runs very well. I work on them until they do. We've got a special tag that I have made. It says manufactured by Jensen and modified by St. Paul Steam. It's a 300 watt preamp, 60 EL, and that's engraved in there. Those three are. And it looks as good on the bottom as it does on the top. Like I said, right now it's happy at right around 70 watts. And you have three ways of controlling the speed on this, either by the Esbit tablets, by the throttle, or by the electricity you power to it. I'll turn it up briefly to 110. And you'll see it come alive. And it's right at 398, almost 390 watts. As I close you get to the 110, I guess. And it's coming back alive. And it's really mandatory that you have a voltage reducer running one of these because of the power they create. And that's not near at full power, but I'm going to turn it back down before it vibrates itself off my table. Shut it down. But there you go, folks. Thanks for looking. Just a beautiful runner. All right. Bye now.